Hey friends, here you are with Dr. Ajay to learn Kahoot step by step. So here in first step you are going to search the Kahoot on google.com. Let's go to google.com and search for Kahoot. Here when you search you will get two web links from Kahoot. One is kahoot.com to be opened by a teacher or host to create a quiz or game. It is to be opened in PC or laptop. Another one is kahoot.it to join game or quiz prepared by the teachers for learners or students. The learners need to open this kahoot.it in their mobile or smartphones. You can also find Kahoot app on Play Store as you can see here. As a teacher to create quiz or game, I will go for kahoot.com. When we go to the home page of Kahoot, we will be able to know the area where we can use Kahoot. For schools, it can be used as tool to create assignments, to conduct interactive lessons, and for higher educations also. For work, you can use Kahoot for e-learning, for your presentations, or to host events and lot more. Kahoot can also be used at home for study at home and for family fun also. Let's go to sign up for free through any of the options and create your account with Kahoot. When we click sign up, we'll be offered to choose our role to use Kahoot. Among these, I prefer to choose as teacher because I wish to use Kahoot for my teaching and learning. And when I go for it, I need to describe my workplace to customize Kahoot for my purpose. I will choose to go for higher educations. Let's enter your email and choose a password to sign up, or Kahoot allows me to sign up with my Google account or Microsoft account. As I already have Kahoot account, I will go for login option and enter my credentials here so as to sign in. Here with this pop-up, you can check out game collections by Kahoot, or you may skip to create page. On very left side of this page, you will find your credentials with Kahoot. Here you can choose interests to customize the offers and choices by Kahoot. Let me choose my own. Now you can create your own quiz or game here with these options. Here you will be offered with number of templates which are available to use to create a new game. Here are some templates with special symbols that are available for premium members of Kahoot. Let me choose new one to create a fresh Kahoot. Here we get started with creating quiz. Let us give a title to this quiz. Let me write "Let's have fun." Here below to this you can give description that is optional. As you can customize your quiz to share publicly, the description helps people to find your quiz easily. You can choose to save your quiz in your favorite folder, that is premium membership option, and along with that branding and other features can be accessed through Kahoot Premium only. Cover image can be selected here through image library of Kahoot, where you can choose among free images from Kahoot as per theme of your quiz, or you can upload image from your own PC. The language can be selected as per your choice here. Visibility of your quiz when shared can be customized here as option. Lobby music can be picked among the available tracks with Kahoot that will be played as background music when you host your quiz. Now if done with all these, let's create our quiz. Here is to create our first question. Click here to write your question. Let me write, what is source of light for Earth? Time limit to answer the question can be customized here from 5 to 240 seconds. 20-second time limit is quite sufficient to think and answer for current question. So let me choose the 20. And points for correct answer can be assigned here. Single select can be opted as answer option for free Kahoot account. Image can optionally be attached with question here to support and better understanding of your question. Image can be placed either by drag and drop option or may be selected from Kahoot image library, or it may be uploaded from your computer. YouTube video can be adjoined with your question from here for better understanding of your learner. All you need to copy the link of video from YouTube site and paste it here. You can even customize it with the segment or length from the timeline of video to support your question. The length of video can be selected just for 20 seconds here, so you may choose the start point and end point in your selected video. Let's get back to add the answer options for your questions. Here you have 4 spaces for answers. 2 options are to be given compulsorily and third and fourth are optional. Let me write options. Specify the correct answer with click on circle in front of option. You can even assign image as answer instead of text. Same options will be available to insert image here also. To add another question to quiz, go to very left panel on screen. Two options are there to add next question. One is to add question of your choice. Another is to select questions from question bank from Kahoot. Add question button offers you to choose among variety of patterns. Some are free and rest are for premium members. Among free, which pattern we already have created. Another is true or false pattern. It will give you layout for the same. Question bank option offers you to search and choose among the Kahoot question bank. Let's search for it. You can always scroll down to choose question of your choice and add it to your Kahoot quiz. Close the tab after selecting a number of questions of your choice. First, let me edit my second question, which has been chosen as true or false pattern. Type question. Set time limit. Set points. Insert image if you wish and assign correct answer. Now go to question imported from question bank. Here all the segments have already been created along with correct answer. Import question from question bank is the easiest and quick way to create your Kahoot. Image with imported question can be further edited, like the image detail can be edited. You can add alternative text and you may credit the original source of image if the image inserted by you is not copyright free. Let's go back. Here image can be cropped and resized as per need. If you don't want this image from imported question, you always can remove it from the question. Image reveal, that is how this image appear for the question while play, can also be customized if you have premium subscription of Kahoot. Import slides option can be opted from very left column to add further questions from slides in your PDF or PPT files, provided you are premium member. Import spreadsheet option can be chosen if you have questions in Excel file in your computer. For that, Kahoot enables you to download its own template as a format to create Excel files to import questions from it. If you are over with your Kahoot quiz, you can preview it from top ribbon. This will give preview of your quiz, how it appears to your learners. Here you may check it for further edit. At bottom you will find the options to scroll for next questions, option to preview in full screen mode. Now if you find it okay, then press exit preview. You may exit from your quiz anytime if you wish to edit it later, as the created quiz is saved automatically and always be available as draft in your Kahoot. Now if you are done with your quiz, then press done to validate it. Now your Kahoot quiz is ready to host, share and play.